Hey everyone, we wanted to bring you another helpful video on how to use UV light to sterilize your workspace and keep your office COVID-free. We've got two UV lamps to show you today. Our first is this portable UV lamp sterilizer. This lamp sterilizes in a 360-degree range with a 99% efficiency rate in approximately 30 minutes. UVC spectrum wavelengths can destroy DNA and RNA of bacteria and viruses by irradiating microorganisms. Basically, we're making microscopic life radioactive, which makes it impossible for viruses and bacteria to reproduce. Make sure your lamp is fully charged and ready to go. Position the lamp in the area where you want to use it. Press the button for 3 seconds. Exit the area. For best results, seal off the area as much as possible. The UV lamp will automatically turn on after 28 seconds. Post warning signs at the entrance to the area when a UV light is being used. When you want to use a lamp like this, you'll need to remove this blue dust cover prior to use. You'll also need to select a time setting that corresponds to the area you're sterilizing. 15 minutes for small rooms, 30 for mid-sized, and 1 hour for large spaces, such as conference rooms, common areas, or reception areas. So now we've seen room UV sterilization, wand UV sterilization, temperature checks, testing, masks, but do we need all this? Isn't it just masks and social distancing? Well, let me introduce you to this. No method of protection is 100% effective 100% of the time. Sometimes it's going to have holes in it. Rather than rely totally on any one method, you implement each one. And with each layer, you cover up all those holes.
Hey everybody, thanks for checking us out. Remember to like, subscribe, look at the links below. Doesn't take too much to do it. Glad to see you. Join us for looking at what our services are, what we provide. Got a lot more coming the way. We're going to have a lot of fun. Stay tuned.